Good morning, students. Today we will discuss operations on matrices in part 3 video, chapter 3 matrices. As we already know, there are 4 operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. In the matrices also, we can add matrices, subtract matrices, multiply the matrices and multiply the matrices by a scalar. Here first we will discuss about addition of matrices, how you can add two matrices. Definition of addition of matrices is if A and B are two matrices of the same order, we say that these are compatible or conformable for addition, and their sum A plus B is the matrix obtained by adding the corresponding element of A and B. Here I have underlined same order corresponding elements. It means you have to check whether these matrices are of same order or not. If they are of same order, then you can add, otherwise you can't add. How you can add? You can add these matrices by taking corresponding elements of A and B. Here I have given example of corresponding element is shown here. A is a matrix having element 2, corresponding of this B element is 4. Corresponding to 3 of A matrix is 9, corresponding to this. Minus 1 is corresponding to minus 11. 5 is corresponding to 3. 0 is corresponding to 1. 7 is corresponding to minus 2. Now you are adding these two matrices. It means you are adding the corresponding elements of these matrices. Here I have written 2 plus 4, 3 plus 9. These are the addition of corresponding elements. Minus 1, minus 11, 5 plus 3, 0 plus 1, 7 plus of minus 2. After simplification of this, you will get 6, 12, minus 12, 8, 1 and 5. This is the matrix A plus B. Important part of this is if A and B are not of the same order, then A plus B is not defined. It means you can't add A and B, or we say that A and B are not compatible for the sum A and B or A plus B. Now second operation is subtraction of matrices. Definition of this is if A and B are two matrices of the same order, we say that these are compatible for subtraction. It means you can subtract only when the order is same, and their difference A minus B is the matrix obtained by subtracting the elements of B from the corresponding element of A. A is a matrix having elements 4 minus 7 minus 2, 5 3 0, and similarly B having elements 2 4 minus 5 minus 9 6 and minus 3. Corresponding elements, as I have already told you, 4 is corresponding to 2, minus 7 is corresponding to 4, and similarly you can see a subtraction of the matrix. 4 minus 2, minus 7 minus 4, minus 2 minus of minus 5, 5 minus of minus 9, 3 minus 6, 0 minus of minus 3. After simplification, you will get 2, minus 11, 3, 14, minus 3 and 3. This is the matrix you get after the subtraction of B from A. It means this is the A minus B operation. Now next is third operation, negative of matrix. How to calculate negative of a matrix? Let the matrix A is given to you, Aij with order m by n, be a matrix, then minus of A is equal to minus of Aij. It means each and every element is multiplied by minus sign. Order of the matrix will be same, m by n. Is called the negative of a matrix A. Now you can take here matrix A, 2 minus 3 0, 5 7 minus 6. Minus of this matrix will be what? You are multiplying each and every element of A by minus sign. Minus 2, minus of minus 3 is plus 3, 0 as it is 0, 5 minus 5, 7 becomes minus 7, minus of minus 6 becomes 6. So new matrix, that is a minus A matrix, that is the minus 2, 3, 0, minus 5, minus 7 and 6. This is a negative of a given matrix. Next is multiplication of a matrix by a scalar. Scalar means how to multiply a given matrix by a given number. If k is any scalar or a number and a is any matrix, then the matrix obtained by multiplying each element of a by k given number is called the scalar multiple of a by k and is denoted by ka. If you are multiplying by 2, it means this is 2a. When you are multiplying by minus 2, you are getting minus 2 of a. Here I am giving the example where a is a matrix and it is multiplied by 3. This becomes 3a. Each and every element of a is multiplied by 3. Here it is shown 3 multiplied by 2, 3 multiplied by 5, 3 multiplied by 0 and so on. We are getting new matrix, that is 6, 15, 0, minus 9, 2, 21, 27, where I have used k is equal to 3. In other questions, maybe k is equal to 2 and any other number. Here we have discussed about the matrices operation up to 4. 4 operations we have discussed here. You can, now I have studied, I have given lecture to you up to third part. You have to make notes of these 3 videos which I have sent to you, and you can use old notebooks to make the notes. No need to go outside. And here I have given to you assignment also. And yes, assignment 3 is this one. In this assignment, I have given you properties of matrices, which we have studied operations a plus b and b plus a. When you are calculating a plus b and b plus a, you are getting the same answer. Here I have written first question. You have to take any of matrices a, b and put those matrices at the place of a and b. You will get left and right both sides equal. Similarly, in other cases, in the second question also, first of all, you have to solve bracket part. Get the answer a plus b. Answer of a plus b is added to c in left hand side. In right hand side, first of all, you have to calculate b plus c. Then answer of this will be added to a. Yes. Here, first of all, you have to add a plus, in the left hand side, a plus b. Answer of a plus b is added in c. In right hand side, first of all, you have to add b and c. The answer of this is added to a. Then you will get both sides answer will be same. These properties you have to verify in your notebook by taking any of matrices, and you will get left and right both sides are equal in each case. I have given here 10 questions, and last it is mentioned exercise 3.2. You can download the PDF, NCERT PDF from Google, and you can do the exercise 3.2. No need to purchase books. Just do exercise 3.2, which questions you can do according to this lecture. Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much.